A cháde is mise Mícheál Ó Mainfinn is olú le gaeilge me in Ollscoil na Banríona in Mélferiste. Siúr Mahalig is Scoil Ronan Nottingham. Hello, I'm Mícheál Ó Mainfinn. I'm a professor of Irish and Celtic Studies in Queen's. I've been working there for a long time. You wouldn't know by my accent, I'm sure. Over 33 years, so I'm well settled in by now. I hope you're all enjoying Irish Language Week. It's a special week in the annual calendar, of course, celebrating the national language around about St. Patrick's Day. And of course, the Irish real renaissance. There are more opportunities now than before, and certainly not Irish have these awaiting them once they've opportunities are far be in the EU as translators in Brussels. Others can be at home working as Irish language officers, for example, in the new Cultain in Armagh or in Derry or in Belfast. Or you can be working in other arms of the civil service. You can be teaching, of course, like I am, and you can be doing all sorts of things. And of course, I should have mentioned the media. So there are lots of opportunities for good people like you who are students of Irish. And I would encourage you, if you have a love for the Irish language and are thinking of continuing, do, because you'll never be sorry. I never was. So, Gwynieri liv, Banigi Tanya Vasin Chachtan, August Sunam Gavekimir, Shiv in Ulskan the Banwin a few, Megan. Got a meal, Michael.